Hey, thanks for coming along with me on Joe's podcast while he drives his Nissan 300ZX home from Starbucks. Have you ever had the iced white mocha from Starbucks? If you like sweet things, then it's the way to go. Except they made it really milky today. It's no coffee flavor, no like sugar in it at all. It just tastes like milk, watered down milk. Sometimes that's what you get with Starbucks. It's a hit or a miss. Me and the wife used to go to Starbucks every day while we were doing our trucking business. So we're just driving around today. I don't have Wi-Fi at the house, so Starbucks has great Wi-Fi to go and upload to YouTube. Make sure you check out my wife's channel, Lovely Moon. She has a gaming channel. She plays Minecraft on there right now. That's what I was doing, just uploading a video for her while she was out taking care of our uncle. He fell and had a heart attack, and she's been taking care of him and taking him to the hospital and stuff for checkups and everything. Yeah, we're just cruising along. You know, it's an off day for me. I just have to book cars today because I'll be picking up cars tomorrow and heading out on a trip. Man, it just tilted over. There's no cup holders in this car. Just stay in the vehicle or anything like that. Just gotta wipe it down some. A ride along, that's what we'll call it. Ride along with Joey Broadway. I was also filming a video for my channel while I was there uploading her video. That's why I have the guitar stand with me, and thought it would be cool just to bring you along with me on my way home. This is a pretty sweet car. It's a 85 Nissan 300ZX. It's got a 6-speed or 5-speed with reverse, and 125,000 miles on the ticker, and it's a good car, man. It's fast. It's the non-turbo version, but it still gets somewhere pretty quick. It is a nice winter day in Texas right now, but the sun's out and the weather's nice and cool out, so it feels good today. I need to pull away from the highway. Loud. These cars are loud. Yeah, what I was saying was it's nice just to get out and go for a drive and not really go anywhere. Like, just clear your mind, you know? Be to yourself and just worry about shifting, you know? Unless you live in the city or something, like Manhattan, then that might be kind of stressful, but out here in Texas, it's just nice to go for a ride. I used to ride a motorcycle, which I don't have anymore, and this car is sort of a similar feeling. You know, I gotta shift the gears and everything, and it's got a T-top, so if I wanted to be more connected with the outside, you know. And it's rare that I actually have time to go out and have free time just to do what I want. It's kind of rare. You might go out for a walk or walk the dogs at the park or something. I've had this car for 4 or 5 years, and I've had my truck for like 6 years, and I used to have a '69 Charger, and it was a project car, you know. I mean, it ran and drove sort of, but it wasn't like registered to drive or anything. It just needed a lot of work. It was a beautiful car though, and I had to sell it to afford bills because I wasn't making any money off of that my first year. And I always regretted it. I missed that car, you know. I wish I still had it. And it makes it hard for me to let go of the vehicles that I have now. Yeah, I brought the laptop with me to upload the video. But it shuts off when you close the lid, I guess. I thought it just went to sleep and it stayed charging. Oh yeah, I film all my videos on an iPhone 8 Plus. It's an amazing phone. It's the last true, like, good iPhone that has the home button still. I also have the SE too, which still has the home button, and it's like the latest, greatest phone that came out after the iPhone 8 Plus. But I'm still rocking the 8 Plus, man. I like the big screen and the big bezels, they call it. I mean, I like that, you know. I'd rather click a button with my thumb to do everything than swipe on the screen and have to do gestures. And the camera is really good. Like, the quality is really great, so can't go wrong with the iPhone, man. I've had a Android before, but it was a long time ago. Like, when Android just came out, I had the Nexus 1, and I loved that phone. It had the little tracker ball, you know, the little scroll ball at the bottom, and it like lit up and stuff, and it had like the animated touchscreen and everything. That was a great phone, man. I love that phone, but they don't make anything like that anymore, so I'd prefer just to stick with my iPhone. And I got the Catalyst impact protection case on it, so keep the back from cracking, and I got a tempered glass screen protector to protect that phone, man. You gotta keep, it's an investment. I bought it so I can film YouTube videos, so you gotta keep your investments protected, you know what I mean? Plus the phone is super slippery without a case, so. And I kinda wanna keep it looking new because I got it straight out of the box and put it straight into a case, so I take it out of the case sometimes, you know, so I can enjoy it. But the good thing is, every time I do that, it's like brand new still, so make sure you put a case on your phones. Yeah, I already got 2 cars booked for today, and just have to find one more along the same route. It shouldn't be hard. This 3-car trailer I got is way easier to work with than the 5-car trailer, because I'm only dealing with 3 people versus 10 people if I'm getting a load back. The 3-car trailer is a lot lower too, so like I could fit like vans and stuff on there and not have to worry about scraping trees or hitting bridges or anything like that. I could load it up by myself. The 5-car trailer, the angle of the ramp was like this, so trying to load the car on that, you'd almost always hit the bumper driving up it. And especially if you're inside driving up and you don't have someone watching you, like, to make sure you're not going to hit the bumper, like, it's impossible to not damage it. But with the 3-car trailer, the angle is more mellow, so I feel confident in driving any car up it, not having to scrape the bumper. And it's a lot less stressful trying to find 3 cars versus 5, so. And really, I think I make the same amount with the 3-car trailer than I do with the 5-car, just because, like, the truck I have, you know, I would get very poor gas mileage, fully loaded 5-car trailer, you know. With a 3-car trailer, I make less because I'm only getting 3 cars, but I don't spend as much, you know. Also, I'm doing it by myself without dogs or anything, so I could sleep in the truck and I don't have to spend money on a hotel. So I actually make more with the 3-car trailer, which is good for me, and it's less stressful. I'm pulling up right now to my house, so just kind of wanted to make a little goofy video of me driving around. Brought y'all along with me, getting my day started, and I hope every one of y'all have a great day, and subscribe if you liked, and I'll catch you later.